Hi, everyone. Welcome back to English Dialogue Box, your go-to channel to learn real-life English through fun and relatable conversations. In today's video, we have a hilarious hostel situation. Two roommates fight over the only working phone charger. This dialogue is packed with everyday English phrases, beginner-friendly vocabulary, and funny expressions that you can practice and use in your own life. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this fun and dramatic charger battle while learning English in a fun way.
Zara, we have a serious problem.
What now? Did you forget your notebook again?
No, the charger. There's only one working charger and I need it right now.
Oh, I was planning to use it in 5 minutes.
5 minutes? I've been waiting for 20.
20 minutes? I didn't notice. I just plugged in my phone for a tiny charge.
Tiny charge? Your phone was at 3%, and mine is at 2%. I need it for my assignment.
Assignment? Again? You always stress about everything.
This is serious, Zara. The Wi-Fi is slow, my battery is low, and if my phone dies, I can't submit my work.
And what about me? My phone is at 4%. How will I survive social media life?
Social media isn't life or death.
You never understand. It is life or death.
Fine. Let's compromise. 10 minutes each.
10 minutes? That's not enough. My phone charges super slowly.
Then 15 minutes each. After that, it's my turn again.
Fine. But I'm putting my phone on power-saving mode.
Good. And no videos while charging. It slows the battery.
Seriously, Maya? You're like a charging teacher.
Ha ha. Yes, I am a responsible charging coach. Okay, 15 minutes starts now. Don't forget to unplug after 15 minutes.
Don't worry, I'm very responsible. Phone at 5%.
That's still draining.
Tiny bit, I swear.
Zara, strategic user again?
Of course. Every move is planned.
I give up.
Relax, Maya. We'll survive this charger drama. One charger, one friendship, one battle.
Only if the phone survives.